our standard Reaper, as you can see, is basically comes with all our features: the LED lights, the sprayers, forward reverse, 0 to 1600. This is a 220 single phase. Remember that, 220 single phase. And one of the reasons being we went with 220 single phase on all our units is because of the Ravage Pro we eventually wanted to do. So what is the Ravage Pro? Basically, the Ravage Pro is a generator that's mounted on top of our unit that is portable. You can take it on and off. You got carrying handles here. You can, two men can grab it, lift it off, put it on the wheel cart, roll it around a job site, and use this as a portable generator. Now, the benefit of this, having this on your unit, remember our machines are 220 single phase. Here's our 220 plug. All we did was cut the plug off basically and put us a washer dryer plug here in a sense. And we plug this directly into our unit. So we just plug in our unit here. Now we have our 220 single phase power for our machine as getting power supply from our generator. Now, one cool feature we added on this unit is our camera. So on the front of this unit, we have a camera that we can see obstacles in front of us, walls, pipes, different things, because of the overhead obstruction view. Whenever you're polishing, you're never really looking over the front. You're always looking to the side, and that's how I polish. I'm always looking at my scratch pattern at my feet and to the side peripheral. The really cool feature now about the Ravage Pro is we don't lose forward and reverse because we're still running off of electric, and we have 0 to 1600 RPMs, a variable speed. So we can control our variable speed, and we also have forward and reverse. We don't lose those capabilities because we're still powered by electric. Now let's say we go to a job site and I want to run electric today. Unplug this, run this power to an electric breaker panel, and we could take this off, bring it to another job site, or keep it on our unit. We can run our vacuums off of it. We can run grinders off of it. We can utilize it as a typical generator. So for instance, today I was doing some running. I was actually running a smaller machine off of this unit while it was parked. So we parked this machine, we never took the generator off. We plugged up a Triton X machine onto this unit, and we ran power off of this. So we never disassembled it, we just kept it on it, utilized it as a generator. So I'm gonna crank this bad boy up, show you a little test run of the Ravage Pro. I hope you guys enjoy it. As you can see, when I'm cutting, I'm always looking to the side, and I'm looking over the overlap. And of course, I'm looking at the scratch pattern that I'm getting out of the unit.